Hi guys, welcome to the KA Connection. So today's segment is all about Tandara.
Ramyan.
So we are doing a ramen eating challenge.
Yes. So we are gonna have this Maggi ramyun that we have. Take a closer look.
Yes.
Yay!
So we're gonna try Maggi India's Korean Maggi,
Yes.
and let's see how it tastes.
Let's go.
I like it. Wow. It's actually made very good.
It's nice. The noodles are so nice, bro.
Yeah.
I love the seasoning.
Also cooked perfectly.
It's very tasty spice. It's
Yeah.
spicy but it's tasty. It's yummy.
The taste is exactly how it should be for Indian taste buds, I feel, while keeping the authenticity of ramen. Very nice.
Yes. I love it. It makes me wanna keep having a bite.
But we need to keep going on with the video. So today, while we are eating our ramen, we're also gonna ask each other bestie questions.
Yay!
Let's go. We'll ask you on your phone.
Have you sent me?
I had sent you one only, the other one.
A few moments later.
It's hot actually, yes. So we have prepared a short questionnaire and we're gonna choose some questions to ask to each other, or maybe we can answer it together. You know, answer a question in your perspective and my perspective.
Cool.
We can do it like that.
Okay. Let's do that.
Okay, let's go. You wanna ask the first question? Whatever you like.
Okay. So if you were a flavor of ice cream, which one would you be and why?
An ice cream flavor, maybe. I would definitely be a chocolate,
Oh my god.
which is like classic and loved by everyone. Even kids can have it,
Mhm.
and you know, adults who are like open to those things, they can have chocolate as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so maybe the classic chocolate flavor of ice cream.
Yeah. I think it's the same. Chocolate.
Maybe chocolate.
Yes.
Yeah.
We don't have to be chocolate. We are. Yeah, you ask me another question.
Okay. So, if we could have a brunch with any celebrity, who would it be and why? I think I know the answer, of course.
I don't have to answer that.
Oh my
She
God.
knows it.
I do.
It's Rap Monster, guys.
It's
Kim
Rap
Namjoon.
Monster.
Yes.
From BTS.
From BTS. I wanna sit with him and have a conversation like so bad.
Me too. I'm like,
Yeah.
I just want to do that in this life.
Yes. Once.
Once in this life.
Yeah.
Seriously.
True.
We love him so much. Love you, Juni.
Love you.
It has to be RM. And if it can be, I would like it to be BTS.
Yes.
Like the 7 of them.
Yeah.
Please, I love them.
Love them all. OT7.
OT7 Army right here.
Okay. What is your go-to karaoke jam? Are you?
It has to be the karaoke jam. When you say karaoke, it has to be Mic Drop by BTS.
And
That has to be there.
And if you guys have seen in our previous carpool videos, we are vibing on mic drop.
Mic drop, because it has to be mic drop.
Yes. But like, if not mic drop, which one would it be for you?
If not mic drop, you want like a Bollywood song or something?
Yeah, kuch bhi.
It can be Arijit Singh songs also. For me, I love like slow Arijit songs. So, Phir Le Aaya Dil from Barfi.
Oh.
I love those songs. So, for me, karaoke can be that. Yeah.
Good choice.
For a slow song, it should be Phir Le Aaya Dil, and for a banger, it can be mic drop. So yeah, I have those two options. What do you think for karaoke?
For me, Love Story by Taylor Swift. All time fave. I will sing Love Story and then.
I know, right?
And right now it's like Big Dogs by Hanuman kind. I love to say like just vibe with that song. Yes. Yeah. Wait a minute. Get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big stepper. Underground methods. Top notch hoes got the most, not the lesser. Yes, that song.
So now you all know how much I love,
Yes.
how much we love Big Dogs.
Yes. And Chumki on the way, guys.
Yay! And what else?
What else?
Do you wanna ask another question?
If you were a fictional character, what would you want to be and why?
A fictional character.
Yes.
If I wanna become a fictional character, I wanna be in the real world while being a fictional character. I'm telling you how. So I wanna be a fairy who grants people's wishes.
Wow.
So yeah, I
Yes.
wanna be, make them happy overnight. I would love to do that.
So sweet of you. That's a very sweet wish. Very
Because I
kind
would
of you.
love to,
Very generous of Ayu as she is.
Yeah,
very
I would love
generous.
to know what people want actually
Mhm.
and what they are lacking, and I would love to give them those things. So yeah, maybe a fairy.
You are the fairy godmother. She went and helped Cinderella 12 years.
I want to do
She's
something
that.
like Definitely.
If I have to be a fictional character, it has to be. It is a tough one. I like many fictional characters. I think I want to be Adam for a day. Just to see how his brain works. And like, it would be a flex. Oh my god.
Of course.
Also, like, everyone's gonna love you so much. Like, armies love, oh my god. And like, I will get to hang out with BTS, like all the members. Yeah, it would be fun. Also, I can rap like really cool in
Yeah.
Korean.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. And like,
Such a flex to be RM.
oh my god, yeah. Just for a day. But he's not like a fictional character. He's a
He's
real.
not a fictional character,
But he's
yeah.
like the man written by woman character. So
Bro, he is a fictional man because how
how can he be
like
real?
that?
He's unreal. I'm
He
telling
cannot
you.
be real, bro.
I will only believe he is real only when I see him. Like for real. Yes.
So now we all know how much we love our
Aaron, yeah. And we miss him so much.
We do. I'm wondering what he's doing in the military right now.
He's probably
Having dinner right now.
having dinner.
Yeah.
It's like 7 there right now. They have dinner at 7. Like very early. Good.
Yeah, they have 6.
6 o'clock they have dinner, right? Which is good. Then what time do they sleep? They have to sleep early, no? Otherwise they'll feel hungry.
Yeah, but then they don't usually sleep early. They do have, late night snacks as well. And of course, now there must be their time, in the barracks in the barracks to get use social media, use your phone. Now he might be free, so he might be doing that right now. Yeah.
She knows it all. She's a personal assistant. He texts her every now and then.
I wish.
I'm text her. Or get on a video call with us, like, bro. We are talking as if he's listening to us right now.
Oh yeah. We are in Delulu.
We are in Delulu world. Oh god, Army is Delulu world. We'll put it here. Army is Delulu world. And okay, this is a very interesting question. What is the most ridiculous thing we both have done together, according to you?
Most ridiculous thing. You mean other than starting a YouTube channel?
Other than that, yeah. Other than starting a YouTube channel, yes.
Maybe suddenly climbing up on a tree in a garden.
Oh my god, yes.
That was so ridiculous and out of
Yes.
the box. So we were, why did we do that? We were like,
So one day we just went to college and we did not want to attend, and we
we
were
were
like,
in high school.
we are
first
bunking and we want to climb a tree now. And then we take a rig to a garden and we go climb a tree. Oh my god. I have snaps of it.
year. Yeah, I do have.
Oh my god. Yes.
It was like exactly 4 years from now.
Oh yeah.
4 years back from now.
Yeah, right. Exactly 4 years. November, December is the time to do crazy stuff. Like we started our YouTube in November. Yeah. That was a fun memory. For me, the most ridiculous thing. Yeah, that only. I can't think of anything else.
One eternity later.
That's it.
That was the most spontaneous thing we have ever done.
Yeah, and the
together.
next question is that only. What's the most spontaneous thing you have done? And I think all our plans are very spontaneous. We don't plan and we just do things like that. On the day, we are
Right.
okay. What would be your dream dress? Like describe your dream dress.
Good question. So, my dream dress would be something like a big gown, a gown very flowy at the bottom, and here at the here at the bust it should be like really tight and fit, which shows my figure really nicely. I don't matter if I'm slim or not.
Yeah, right.
It should be,
Doesn't matter.
yeah, it should be fit to my figure. And I want something like a belt over here, which is a diamond.
Oh.
Very tiny diamonds and diamond studded belt. I would love to
Wow.
have that. And the color should be navy blue.
Oh my god, I was just gonna say it has to be like navy blue or like a royal blue. Oh
Yes.
my god, when you were saying it, I was imagining it to be blue.
Yeah, it has
Wow.
to be navy blue.
Wow, that would look so good on you. I can
And-
literally imagine you in that dress.
Yeah,
Wow.
and sleeves this much. The bell hands, like the bell sleeves. I would love to have those.
Wow.
And maybe some frill going on here. And it also has like dropping diamond over here. and flowy at the bottom
Yes.
and very long.
Yes.
I would like to have that.
You're basically gonna look like an Indian goddess when you
Yeah.
wear something like that. Wow.
And you know, tie my hair up
Oh, yeah.
with all those curls
Yeah. Yes, wow.
and diamond heels.
Diamond heels. Maybe like glass heels.
Yeah, glass heels.
With like some diamond work on it.
Yeah,
Oh my god, yes. So nice, so dreamy.
yeah.
Wow.
I would like to design one actually.
Yeah.
And
Then
see the-
it has to be according
Mhm.
to everything that you want.
Yeah.
So let's do it. Custom area design for her.
Maybe I can do it someday.
Yeah.
What about you?
Okay, for me, I think this dress had come in my dream, and now
Oh,
I
really?
want to be in it.
Mhm.
So it was like a very heavy lehenga, and like a royal blue lehenga, and with golden borders, and like Indian handwork
Mhm.
done on the blouse,
Oh wow.
and like a very long trail,
Mhm.
like what do you call it? What do you call that thing that you take?
The wheel.
The wheel,
Mhm.
but like
Dupatta kind
like a
of thing.
dupatta wheel, like a long one, and oh my god, it was so
Oh
good.
wow.
And like full golden
Oh my
borders
gosh,
on
golden.
it, like golden and royal blue, and like a heavy lehenga. And the next day I wake up, I see myself in that dress,
Oh wow.
and it was a Sabyasachi lehenga on their Instagram feed, and it comes
Really?
in my algorithm. Yes, it comes in my algorithm. I still have it saved in my outfits
Bro,
Insta.
your Instagram has hacked your brain, I'm telling you.
I'm telling you, I'm not even kidding. And I wanna wear that one day.
Oh wow.
If you ever see me in a lehenga, it has to be royal blue golden lehenga, Sabyasachi lehenga. We are only leveling
Yeah,
up.
we're not settling for less.
We are not selling for less, baby. We are here to level up.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes. Oh my god. Look, just two girls living in their girl
I can
world.
imagine you in that lehenga. Wow.
I know, right? Also, I'll wear those matha tika,
Mhm.
those earrings.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Also, like, I want to wear like golden bangles on it,
Mhm.
like a lot of bangles. I want to go all loud. I
Mhm.
mean, I do like minimalistic stuff, but I want to go all loud, like all loud with my jewelry and like with my outfit. Yes. Yeah, that's it.
I would like to see you like that because
Oh my god, yes.
you're mostly like minimalistic and
Mhm, yeah.
more like on a modern side.
Mhm.
I want to ask you the ultimate question.
The ultimate question, yes.
What superpowers would you like to have?
Oh my god, so many. I want to own the world, baby. I want to be the
conquer
boss.
the world.
I'm gonna conquer the world. I'm gonna be the boss. But like superpowers, one would be like I wanna like just snap and be wherever I wanna go. Like
Mhm.
if I snap right now, I wanna be on the moon.
Yeah. Wow.
Like be anywhere. Like snap, be in Paris in a good restaurant with my bestie,
Mhm.
having a croissant and a tea.
Oh wow.
I'm just saying that maybe I'd like to skip the travel part
Mhm.
and like just snap and be in my dance class. Snap and
Mhm.
so much time would be saved.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. And the other superpower I'd like to have would be to fly, like literally, like in the sky.
Oh,
Like
wow.
you just open your arms and you're flying like an eagle. Like just fly.
Oh wow.
Yeah, that would be great. And
I think every human would like to
Hmm.
experience that.
yeah. And the most important superpower I wanna have is like learn anything very quickly,
Mm-hmm.
like at the quickest. Even if it's like any skill. If I have the ability to learn quickly, I can learn anything
Yeah.
quickly, and I would be so talented and so smart and so intelligent.
Mm-hmm.
That would be crazy. That would make me superhuman, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, that with my memory or like any learning thing. I wanna have that. Yes, crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Like a superhuman computer.
Yeah.
inside of me. Wow. What about you?
I would like to have a superpower first to make every food item 0 calories.
Yes, yes. That's such a girl goal.
Yeah. Whatever I eat, it's
Mhm.
0 calorie.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Ramen, 0 calorie.
Zero
calorie.
Yeah. So it doesn't make me, gain weight or
Mhm.
something like that.
Right.
And second power would be related to that only.
Mhm.
That no matter how much I eat, I don't gain weight.
Right.
Yeah.
Because we
I
are just
think all
foodies.
chubby girlies would be
Yeah,
like
and we are foodies. We just
Yeah.
want to keep eating all the time.
that. Yeah.
I love food.
And eating tasty stuff as well.
Yeah.
Because tasty food is not healthy always, bro.
Like eating those cheese breads with the mozzarella full and
Yeah.
all the pizza, cheese pizza and like burgers.
The chicken with the Chinese seasoning.
Oh my
Oh my
god.
god, the sauce.
The sauce, the Chinese food, the Indo-Chinese food.
Yeah. With MSG in it, and the MSG does not affect us.
Doesn't affect our bones.
That's a dream.
Oh my god. And we don't even age.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. And if we age, we like age gracefully.
Yeah.
Because again, if you eat junk, you age early, right? Wow, that would be such a level up.
Yeah.
And considering me who loves to, and you also, like we
Yeah.
love to eat food. We always keep thinking what to eat
Mhm.
and like where to go and what to
Yeah.
eat. Oh my god. Wow. That's a dream though.
Mm-hmm.
And remember, and imagine eating what we want to eat and then wearing our dream dresses.
Oh yeah.
That is a dream.
So you don't have to starve before you
Yeah.
wanna wear your
Yeah.
favorite dress.
You're already so gorgeously
Mhm.
beautiful in your dress while also eating everything you want.
Yeah.
That's the most Delulu dream I have.
Yeah.
Yes. Just two girl besties firing up each other's Delulus
Yeah.
in the video. That's how we can sum up this video.
Yes. So my ramen is almost over.
My ramen is over too. I'm a fast eater actually.
Mhm.
I completed it way faster.
Yeah. And I'm a slow eater, so yeah.
And that makes us a,
Perfect bestie pair.
perfect bestie pair. Right.
So now you're gonna wrap it up.
Yes. So guys, this was our Q&A session in our version of KA Bestie Quiz. And while eating our ramen, and I hope you guys liked it.
Yes.
If you guys liked it, please like.
Share
And
subscribe
subscribe.
to our channel.
Till then, stay tuned for
I'm
more
so
videos.
excited to shoot more videos.
More videos, like more carpool videos, more fun
Please
videos,
subscribe.
more vlogs.
Yeah.
It's just for us to look over our journey
Mhm.
back over the years. That's
Create
what
some memories.
create some
we can
memories.
look back at. Yeah.
Perfect example of living in nostalgia in the present.
Yeah.
So yeah, thank you.
Thank you for watching. Bye
Bye.